Hey everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Francis, and today meron naman nga tayong bagong video, and this video is going to be a product review. As you can see, ayan, basa pa po yung hair natin. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. Kasi ang i-review po nating product is this one-step hair dryer styler. So, ayan. Medyo basa pa siya talaga. Hi guys, this is the final look after kong gamitin yung one-step hair dryer and styler. Ayan, dito sa area na to medyo mainit pa. So, upon seeing the final result, I'm happy. Happy naman ako, and I think mas lumambot siya. And mas mukha siyang shining kesa kapag nag-blower ka and nagplansya ka ng hair. So, yung final verdict ko dito, for me, mas okay siya, mas fast drying siya. Kasi sabi dito, it's 60% fast drying time compared with the blower, which is very true. Check. And nakalagay rito, tourmaline technology of negative ions for healthier hair. So, I think, totoo nga siya. Parang, hindi masyadong mukhang dry yung hair ko after using this. By the way guys, siguro ginamit ko siya for about 10 to 15 minutes or yeah, siguro mga ganun. Eh kapag gumamit ka ng blower, siguro abutin ka na ng 15 minutes plus another 15 minutes kapag nag-flat iron ka naman ng hair. So this one, almost half of your time na pagsastyle ng hair na bawasan. And sabi rito, quiet and powerful 1000 watt motor. So, okay naman. Yung ingay naman niya is just the same with the blower na ginagamit natin. And 2 speeds plus cool setting. Yun. Feeling ko lang wala siyang cool setting for me. Kasi yung unang buga, parang sakto lang. Medyo mainit pa rin. Pero hindi siguro cool, warm. Yun. Warm setting siguro. And ceramic heater. Dito sa bandang area na to, ayan, umiinit siya kapag ginagamit. Yes, it's very lightweight. Kaso yun nga, kapag habang nagpo-brush ka, medyo nakakangawit lang. And yung comb niya is very soft. Very soft sa scalp. So, masarap siyang isuklay in fairness. Yun. So, I'm so happy with this one-step hair dryer and styler. I'm happy with this one. So, if you guys wanted to try this one, I'll be linking their shop below para at least malalaman nyo kung saan kayo makakabili ng one-step hair dryer. Actually, this is very hype in the market right now. You would see this sa Facebook, sa Instagram, and I think this is also available sa Lazada. But, yun pong nagpadala sa akin nito, yan, ilalink ko po yung store nila dito sa comment box para at least doon na lang din kayo bumalik kasi meron kang mabibilan nito na may mga reviews from Lazada na yun nga, pumutok, yan, nakakatakot din. So, mas maganda, ito na prove and tested, nagamit ko na siya, doon na lang kayo sa shop na yun bumili. So, that's it for my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you do, please do leave me a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts kung nakagamit na rin kayo nitong hair dryer and styler. And more importantly, subscribe and hit that bell notification button for you to get notified whenever I posted a new video. I'll see you on my next one.